Here on the Monarchist Channel, we are not just about digging through history books, lines of succession, or revealing new monarchist facts through research. We spotlight royals, those in power, those without, and even those making a difference without a crown. So picture this: a princess who doesn't take no for an answer. A princess who, despite being banned from her homeland for years, has been a hero for thousands. She's rebuilt hospitals, aided countless refugees, and makes sure that kids get gifts every major holiday. She's a modern-day royal who embodies change and radiates hope. Meet Princess Katherine of Serbia. Before we continue, I'd like to know, what's the most inspiring story of the humanitarian work you've ever heard? Let me know down in comments below. Now let's uncover the extraordinary journey of Princess Katherine of Serbia. She was born on November 13th, 1943 in Athens, Greece. Princess Katherine's life was far from ordinary. She journeyed through Athens, Switzerland, and then United States for her education, yet she discovered her true passion lies not in academics, but in humanitarian service. When she crossed paths and eventually wed Crown Prince Alexander of Serbia, it was more than a marital union. Together, they pledged to reshape the world, delivering transformative acts of compassion at every turn. Princess Katherine may not have been born in Serbia, but she wholeheartedly embraced it as her home. When she married Crown Prince Alexander, who had been exiled from Serbia since birth, she learned of the struggles and challenges the nation faced. Katherine, with her unyielding spirit, didn't stand by passively. She took decisive action, sending aid across the war-torn former Yugoslavia. One of the most memorable moments of Princess Katherine's journey happened during the tough times of the 1990s Yugoslav wars. A story that shows her strong belief and determination is her visit to the United Nations. Speaking to the members of the Security Council, Princess Katherine showed them pictures of babies and asked, "Tell me, which baby is a Muslim, which baby is Orthodox, and which baby is a Catholic?" When the members couldn't answer, she said, "If you can't tell their religion, then please don't divide your help based on it. All these babies need care and love. They're all God's children born during a terrible war. Every hungry child is just that, hungry." She ended by saying that United Nations are doing great work, but added, "We have to show the world that we are all the same." When their exile ended in July 2001, Katherine didn't take a breather. While distant from Serbia, her husband's homeland, Princess Katherine initiated a remarkable endeavor. She founded the Lifeline humanitarian organization, which quickly evolved into more than a charity. This organization, with a presence in the United States, Canada, United Kingdom, and Greece, became a thriving global community, united under the cause to extend support to individuals in dire need. Her return to Serbia marked a significant milestone in her humanitarian journey. To address local challenges directly, she launched the Humanitarian Foundation in Serbia as well. This foundation hasn't just contributed, it reshaped the humanitarian field in Serbia by establishing partnerships with governmental bodies and educational institutions. It brought about real change and nurtured hope for the future. But the cornerstone of the foundation is its ability to engage people. It's far more than a charitable organization. It's a global network of individuals linked by their shared commitment to improve lives in Serbia. Each member actively participates in the mission, bringing their unique contributions and celebrating collective achievements. Every step taken by the foundation under Princess Katherine's leadership is calculated, strategic, and purpose-driven. Support from the foundation isn't just given out randomly. It's about delivering carefully planned and impactful assistance where it's needed the most. And there's even more. It's not just about big, life-changing projects. Princess Katherine knows that joy comes in all shapes and sizes. That's why during the holidays like Christmas and Easter, she opens the doors of the royal palace to children from orphanages across the country, hosting celebrations and distributing gifts. It's these small but meaningful gestures that truly define her as a compassionate and devoted leader. Catherine's story is not just about royal titles, it's about being resilient, compassionate, and seriously dedicated to serving others. And you know what's even more amazing? Thousands of people worldwide from the US, Canada, United Kingdom, Serbia, Greece that have joined this remarkable journey. They are not just observing from the sidelines, they are actively part of Princess Katherine's mission, contributing their support to this cause. Princess Katherine of Serbia, she is more than a princess. She's a hero, a change maker, and a beacon of hope. Her story is proof that no matter what, we can all make a difference. So if you like this video, be sure to share it and hit the subscribe button. Stay tuned and remember, everyone can make a difference. Also, a shout out to our patrons who help us produce our videos. If you're a patron, you have exclusive access to the Monarchy Report in 10 Republics. And if you're not, support our production. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.